Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to properly assemble the end caps for a sensing edge in order to prevent damaging the sensing contacts. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Before assembling an edge sensor, make sure you have all the parts. End caps. A spacer with a contact plug that has a cord. A spacer with a contact plug that doesn't have a cord. Clips. The edge. And the channel rail, which may come in several parts. Remove the contact plugs from the spacers and set aside. Each end cap has cutouts that can be removed for drainage. Before cutting out the drain plugs, determine whether the edge will be mounted vertically or horizontally. For horizontally mounted edges, remove the semicircle cutouts from both plugs to allow drainage on both ends of the edge. For vertically mounted edges, remove the round drain plug from only one of the end caps. The end cap with the drain plug removed needs to face down toward the ground. One of the contact plugs has a wire that must be routed out of the end cap. Use a sharp object, such as a small screwdriver, to punch out the wire exit hole. Let's take a closer look at the edge. Inside are contacts that touch when the edge is squeezed. On either side of this are gaps where the spacer will fit snugly. Insert a spacer in each end of the edge. Take a close look at the contact plugs. When you open the kit, you'll find the plugs in the small holes at the bottom of the spacer. Pull the contact plugs out. When you reinstall the contact plugs, they will not go back into this small hole. The plugs will be installed into the bigger hole at the top of the spacer. There are delicate pins in each plug. Carefully align the plug and gently but firmly insert the plug into the large hole in the spacer. Do this with both contact plugs. For the contact plug with the cord, route the cord through the hole you punched in the end cap and secure the end cap onto the end of the edge. Insert the clip. Secure the other end cap onto the other end of the edge. Insert the clip. Some channel rails come in sections that have pegs for assembly. To assemble, face the pegged ends toward each other and slide together. The channel is ready for installation to the gate. Follow the directions in the manual for installing the edge on the gate or watch our instructional video. For more information, visit us on the web at liftmastertraining.com.